Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stella. And today we're gonna make a seasoned pork called pork bulgogi. The special thing about this food is that soybean paste is used as a main ingredient. Soybean paste really goes well with the pork. It helps digesting it and remove the smell from it. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. Pork, oligosaccharide, onion, soy sauce, ginger, pepper, mushroom, soybean paste. It is so easy to make a seasoned pork once you know how to do it. Cut a ginger into a thin slice. Then cut them into thin strips. Most Korean food use garlic to remove the smell from the meat, but at this time I'll use ginger to remove the smell from the pork. Then slice the onion into a bite size. Put a pork in a bowl. I used shoulder meat at this time, but any part that has a little amount of fat would be fine. Add 3 spoons of soybean sauce. Add a sliced ginger that we have made before. Put 1 spoon of soybean paste. Add 3 spoons of oligosaccharide. Add a sliced onion and put a little bit of pepper on them. I'll put extra mushroom with it, but you can skip this part if you want. Mix them using hands. Always remember to wear gloves when you make a Korean food. Put a sesame oil on pan in a medium heat. When it is heated enough, put a seasoned pork on the pan and fry them. I'll fry them about 15 to 20 minutes. How do you know that pork is done? When the surface of the pork is smoked a bit, then it is time to turn off the fire. Then let's try seasoned pork. This is by far the best pork I ever had. Soybean paste inside get rid of the smell from the pork and it is so soft. Try making this at home and share this with your family and friends. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!